In every show that I've gone, I have been asking my neighbors if they have an emergency toolbox, and no one said yes. In fact, they told me that that was a great idea. So I figured I will make a video about it because I recently got my toolbox that is the one that you see here. And this little frame right here is where I used to carry all my necessities. I know, super little. So I went from this to this. And I'm gonna show you what I carry here so you can have an idea on what to take for your next event. Hi, I'm Cheva Zapata, and on my channel I do DIYs, product testing, hauls, and small business vlogs. So if you're new here and you like this type of content, make sure that you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any video, and all the products mentioned in this video are gonna be linked in the description box down below. There are many reasons why I think every vendor should have an emergency tool box, but I'm gonna tell you some of them so you get the idea, and hopefully you get to build your own emergency toolbox. I am not a pro. I have been doing pop-up shops with my husband since last December, but we have learned a lot in these 6 months. If you see something that I am missing, let me know in the comments so we both benefit from this video, and hopefully we can help the other viewers. And the reason number one will be immediate repairs, and having the right tools, the basic tools at least, will help us to repair things on the spot, any equipment malfunction, to prevent loss of sales or downtime in the event. The number two will be safety, and I think this is pretty obvious. You want to prevent the risk of any accidents to protect yourself as well as your customers. Reason number three will be customer service, and I think this is really important because if you fix things in the spot and the customer sees that, they will trust you. They will know that they can rely on you. They see you hands-on. They see that you are willing to do not anything but at least the basics for their satisfaction. Therefore, the experience they have in your booth is going to be wow, and they can potentially recommend your business to their friends. Okay, we also need to talk about cost efficiency, and if you are a crafter, you are a hands-on person, so you know that you are able to fix little things by yourself instead of sending it to another person and paying that person to fix it for you. So you know what I mean. And those are some of the reasons why I think that having an emergency toolbox is crucial, also for you to be prepared for anything that can happen in your booth. So now we are gonna open this box, and let me tell you first that this is a 13-inch box that I found at Walmart. It was $6.99 or $6.79 in the card section. It is black, it has a red handle, it feels sturdy, and it has 2 compartments right here that I love because you can put the little stuff that you always reach for and it will be protected. What I have here, let me tell you, are my business cards. Then I have some NFT tags. What we have over here, tweezers. I just put these tweezers this week in my toolbox because last time I was in an event, I worked with wood displays, and even though I sanded them down, my husband did a great job prepping them, I got a splinter in my finger, and it was awful and painful, and I didn't have nothing to take them out. So this will help you and you will thank me. Then I have these hook, so we can put it in, of course not me because I'm not strong enough, but my husband, he can put this in the wood crates and hang anything that we want. The wood that we use is not as compact, so this is super easy to insert and attach, and then to hang anything that we need, such as keychains, for example. So we have that. This tool right here, very, very important. This comes with anything that you build. For example, this is for our clothing rack. So our clothing rack, we take them down and then we build them again in every show. And this is the tool that we use to put it together, to put it back together. Don't throw them away, just put them in your toolbox and you will be safe. You will need it. You will see that you will need it. Now let's open this box. It looks like so. It has a tray. It is, I will say, pretty deep. So first of all, I have hand lotion. Well, this is body lotion, but I use it for my hands. You don't want to have crusty hands if you are in customer service, if you are talking to people, if you are presenting your product and your hands are all dry, your product is not gonna look good. Also, if you are taking pictures in your booth, which I highly encourage you to do so during your downtimes, take pictures, record for your social media presence. Hand lotion, you guys. Also for your elbows. Don't say that I didn't warn you. So that's one thing. Another thing that I have here is dental floss. It tastes like mint. You don't want to be talking to your customers or recording videos and having things on your teeth. The next thing is this gadget. This thing right here is a lifesaver if you have children, if you go hiking, if you can take it to work, you can put it in your car, but I have it here. This is a soap dispenser, and then here is the attachment for water. This is by the company Suits to Go. Okay, we bought this 2 years ago. It works wonders. So you place it like so, and you dispense the soap, and then through this side right here dispenses the water, and you will have clean hands all day, every day. The next thing you want are pens. You will always need pens. So the next thing that I have here is chapstick. Some of you might be very sensitive and you will need this. I have this not for me but for my husband. He has very sensitive lips, and this helps us in that type of situation, especially during winter. You guys will need also a chalk writer marker. You don't have to get the regular or the traditional chalk and get your hands dirty and possibly white stuff on your white dust on your clothes. With this one right here, I got it at the Dollar Tree. It has a lid, it works perfect. I assume you already have toilet paper or towel paper or even a rag on your booth. So with that thing, you will be able to erase and then rewrite whatever you need to write on your signs. We have this counterfeit detector market. If I got this at Amazon, the link will be in the description down below. If you pass this marker through the bill and it comes black, it's fake. Be careful with that unless you know how to recognize bills without a marker. You will need also a plastic bag. This will help you for your trash, for different stuff, like for anything, for literally for anything. This is a regular Walmart grocery bag that I get when I do my groceries, and I always carry these with me because I don't like to have trash around my booth. You don't want to be that vendor. Also, I carry some care instructions that I print out for my cups in my own house, and these will help me to give away if the customer doesn't know how to take care of the cups that I sell. This for them. I always carry some extra ones. This one right here is a multi-functional tool. It has many tools in one. It's small. I got it at the Dollar Tree. You will be surprised with everything that you can find in the Dollar Tree. Some of the things that I bought from Amazon, you can find them in the Dollar Tree. Here is a knife. Then it has little scissors, teeny tiny scissors right here. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, there it is. And then you have, this is, I believe this is a bottle opener. Also, there is a screwdriver, a little teeny tiny screwdriver. This is like a cross, like a, I don't know what the name is. But all these tools are right here. This is from Dollar Tree. You will be surprised with everything that you can find at the Dollar Tree. Let me put this back really quick. Okay, so there it is. That's the first part. That's the first layer. So the first thing that I have here in my second layer are scissors. You will always need scissors. If it's not you, it's going to be your neighbor. There's been many times, I cannot tell you how many times people have asked me for scissors, even clients, and I was happy that I had them. So remember scissors. The next thing that I have here is Excedrin. Excedrin, that's not for me. I don't take pills. I don't do well with pills. I don't know, but this is for migraine for my husband. If you need any type of medicine, make sure that you have extras in your toolbox, and you can also have some Tylenol or acetaminophen, and you can save your neighbor's day if they ask you for something like this and you already have it. You know, we don't eat well if we are in our booth. We only take sips of water here and there, because if you go by yourself, I always go with my husband, but if you go by yourself, you cannot leave your booth unattended to go to the bathroom many times during the day. The sun, the stress, odors, music, etc. And talking about odors, of course you will need to have one in your booth, in your emergency toolbox, deodorant. I know this is like more like a hygiene box, but hey, it's an emergency and you will carry it everywhere. You don't need to have a certain bag for hygiene and then for your tools and then for no, just carry everything here and you are good to go. This box is it has a lot of space, so you can carry everything in miniature size. Of course, you don't want to be stinky. You don't want to be stinky. So hear me out, okay? Next thing, if you are a woman, you will need pads, tampons, just in case, okay? Just in case. Also, and again, maybe not for you, maybe for your neighbor, maybe for a client. I don't think people are gonna come and ask you, hey, you know what, I haven't buy anything from you, but hey, do you by any chance do you have? People are gonna, most likely are gonna go to their house or gonna go to a store and fix that problem, but hey, you never know. Next thing that I have here is alcohol. You can also have hand sanitizer. I just carry alcohol because it's what I have here right now. If you cut yourself or something, alcohol in a spray and you're good to go. Also to sanitize your hands. Next thing, band-aids, okay? Trust me. Next thing, tape, good old tape. You will be surprised how many things you can fix with just this teeny tiny friend. And if you carry a big one, if you have space, I don't have space right here, but I already fixed that problem. If it's raining and you are getting the water inside your booth, you can cover anything in your tent with this good old tape until you get home and fix that problem. Then what I have here, this is for my husband's vape. Cables, references cables that you will need. Here is measuring tape. Sometimes people will not measure good your space and you can see because your canopy is 10 by 10 and sometimes it won't fit in the space that they give you, so you will be able to prove them wrong and fight for your money. So I got these, remember where, it wasn't the Dollar Tree, it was in Amazon, don't remember where. I have been having these for probably 2-3 years and I put it here in my toolbox. Then I have an extra chalk just in case. Safety pins, okay? Safety pins for your banner, safety pins for your tablecloth, safety pin for your shirts, safety pin for anything, okay? Safety pins. And the last thing that I have here, zip ties. These ones are from the Dollar Tree. You can get more in Amazon, you can get them in Walmart, they sell these everywhere. Zip ties, you just never know, in case you need to hang your banner, in case you need to close your canopy for the day, in case, oh my gosh, you will be surprised how many things you can do with zip ties. And that is everything that I have in my toolbox. Now my toolbox is empty. Let me quickly put everything back. So there it is, everything that I carry in my toolbox. So now you are ready to create your own, adjust everything according to what you sell, to what you need. And let me know, please let me know in the comments if you feel that I am missing something so I can quickly go and get it, because I like to be ready. Now this isn't the only box that I carry with me. I also carry a crafter box, and that's gonna be my next video. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel. I am gonna start a series about my small businesses. I have two, so make sure that you follow that playlist and let me know what type of information you would like regarding small business, vendor pop-ups, stuff, let me know in the comments, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I will see you next time.